Today is lesson 4.2, multiply with 5 and 10. Our essential question is, how can you multiply with 5 and 10? Our vocabulary term that we'll see is multiple. So an example today of multiple. A multiple of 10 is any product that has 10 as one of its factors. Our problem of the day is Hero made a line plot to show the number of books read by the students in his class. How many people read more than 3 books? So if I'm using the line plot below, right here, I see that everyone voted and either read between 0 and 5. So I know he's looking at only the people that read more than 3, so I'm going to look at the 4 and the 5. So I see 3, so my answer has to be B. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at number lines and how to use them when counting by 5s and 10s. So right now what I want you to do is I want you to skip count by 5s with me just aloud. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We see that the pattern, either the numbers end with 5 or 0, and so then that means that we're counting by 5s. So if I had 6 times 5, I would count by 5s 6 times, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now, if I had a word problem that I needed to count by 10s, and I had 5 groups of 10, I could use a number line and I could skip count. So I could skip count by 10, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So here this shows me that I have 5 groups of 10, so the answer would be 50. On a post-it, what I want you to do is I want you to make 4 groups of 10 on a number line. So again, 4 groups of 10 on a number line, and make your own number line.